Good morning children. How are you all? Right. Welcome back to science class. Okay. Children, before going to topic, quickly we have to recall the previous topic. Okay. Now, children, now tell me what we learned in previous class. Very good children. We learned about living things and features of living things. Right? Okay. Now tell me children, what are living things? Very good children. Things that grow, feel, breathe, reproduce, move on their own are called living things. Very good children. Now tell me children, what are non-living things? Very good children. Things that do not grow, okay, do not feel, do not reproduce. Very good children. Do not take food and do not feel are called non-living things. Okay children, quickly we have to learn the difference between living things and non-living things. Okay, children, in your book make a table and note down. Okay, living things, non-living things. Children, please note down in your book. Okay. Can you guess? Can you give the answer here? Very good children. Living things can move. Very good. Living things can move on their own. Okay. Coming to non-living things. Non-living things cannot move themselves. Okay. For example, vehicles can move. Okay. If someone drives it. Okay. So, vehicles cannot move themselves. If someone drives it, then the vehicles can move from one place to another place. Okay. So, non-living things cannot move. Okay. Next. Living things can grow. Now tell me children, non-living things can grow? Very good. Non-living things cannot grow. Now tell me children, living things can take food? Very good. Living things can take food. Now tell me children, non-living things take food? Now tell me children, does it take food? No, because it is non-living thing. Am I right? Okay. Cannot take food. Now tell me children, living things can feel? We learned in previous class, right? We have sense organs, right? So, sense organs help us to feel changes around us like happiness, sadness, right? So, different feelings, okay? So, living things can feel. Now tell me children, non-living things can feel? No. Now tell me children, if I throw this marker on the floor, does it get pain? No. So non-living things cannot feel. Cannot feel. Okay. Next. Now tell me children, living things can breathe? Very good. Living things can breathe. Now tell me children, non-living things can breathe? Very good children. Non-living things cannot breathe. Now tell me children, does it breathe? No, because it is non-living thing. Very good children. Cannot breathe. Now tell me children, living things can reproduce? Very good. Living things can reproduce. Coming to non-living things, Now tell me children, non-living things can reproduce? No, non-living things cannot reproduce. Cannot reproduce. Understood children? Have you noted down? Okay. Living things can move. Okay. Whereas non-living things cannot move. Okay. Living things can move on their own. Okay. Coming to here, for example, vehicles can move from one place to another place when someone drives it. Okay. But they cannot move themselves. Okay. Next, living things can grow. Okay. Non-living things cannot grow. Okay. Now, living things take food, whereas non-living things cannot take food. Okay. Next, living things can feel, and coming to non-living things cannot feel. Okay. Next, living things can breathe, whereas non-living things cannot breathe. Okay. Now, living things can reproduce. Okay. And coming to non-living things cannot reproduce. Understood children? Living things and non-living things and the difference between living things and non-living things. Am I clear children? Now we learn about natural things and man-made things. Okay? Children, non-living things can be two types. Okay? Natural things and man-made things. Okay? First we learn about natural things. Okay? Non-living things can be two types. Natural things and man-made things. Okay? Now tell me children, what are natural things? Well, I will tell you. Living things and non-living things found in the nature are called natural things. Okay? What are natural things children? Very good. Living things and non-living things found in the nature. Found in the nature are called natural things. For example, sunlight, okay, air, water. Sunlight, air and water are the examples of natural things. Okay. Living things and non-living things found in the nature are called natural things. Children, these things we get from the nature. Am I right children? So we need water to drink, air to breathe, and living things need heat and light. Right children? So these things we get from the nature. Okay? So these are the natural things. Am I clear children? Now let's learn about man-made things. Okay? Children, now we learn about man-made things. Children, please note down the definition of man-made things. Okay? Children, non-living things built by humans are called man-made things. Examples: aeroplane, houses, buildings, are the examples of man-made things. Children, simply we can say that things that made by man are called man-made things. Children, can you give few more examples? Very good. TV, very good. Phone, very good. Very good, children. Chair, table, pen, very good. Pencils. So these are the examples of man-made things. Children, now tell me what we learned today. Difference between living things and non-living things, right? And natural things and man-made things, right? Now tell me, children, what are natural things? Very good. Things which we get from the nature are called natural things. For example, sunlight, okay, air, water are the examples of natural things. Okay, coming to man-made things, things that made by man are called man-made things. Okay, TV, phone, chair, table, pen, pencil are the examples of man-made things. Understood, children? Children, give two examples for each of the following. Okay, look at here, children. What is the first one? Animals that use nose to breathe. Which animals use nose to breathe? Tell me, children. Very good. Dog, very good. And cat, right? Okay. Now tell me, children. Name any two sense organs. Very good. Eyes, okay. Nose, very good. Very good, children. Tongue, very good. Skin and ears. Excellent, children. Now, natural things. Give any two examples of natural things. Very good, children. Sunlight, air, water. Okay. Now, animals that give birth to young ones. Very good, children. Cow, very good. Horse. Now tell me, children, insects that have antennae. Which insects? Very good. Butterfly and cockroach. Have you understood, children? Animals that use nose to breathe. Very good. Even human beings also breathe through nose, right? Okay. Sense organs. So we have 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, tongue, skin and ears. Now tell me, children, which is the largest sense organ in our body? Very good. Skin is the largest sense organ. Okay. Now, natural things. Very good, children. Sunlight, air, water are the examples of natural things. Okay. Now, animals that give birth to young ones. Very good. Cow, horse, dog, human beings. Okay. Buffalo. Very good, children. So, these animals give birth to young ones of their own kind. Okay. Next, insects that have antennae. Okay. So, these parts help them to feel changes around them. Am I right, children? Insects such as butterfly and cockroach have body parts are called antennae. Okay. They help them to feel changes around them. Am I right, children? Have you learned these bits? Okay, please note down these bits, write in your book. Okay children? Children, now we learn few words from the first lesson. Okay, children, please note down these words. Okay, and learn spellings. Will you learn spellings, children? Okay. Now I will tell you how to pronounce these words. Okay children, look at me and read with me. Okay, air holes. What is this word? Air holes. Okay, children, insects have air holes on their bodies. Okay, so insects breathe through air holes, right? Next, coming to next one. What is the second one? Very good. Gills. Okay, fish breathe through gills. Am I right children? Very good. Next. What is this children? Read out. Very good. Stomata. Okay. So plants breathe through stomata. Okay. Tiny openings present on the underside of the leaf are called stomata. So plants breathe through stomata. Very good. Next. Wings. Children, birds and most of the insects have wings. Okay, so they can fly in the sky. Am I right? Next, fins. Children, fish have fins. Okay, so these organs help them to swim in the water. Okay, what we call fins. Okay, next. What is this children? Please try to pronounce this. Antennae. What we call? Antennae. So these are the body parts, okay, of the butterfly and cockroach. Okay, these help them to feel changes around them. Okay, next, touch me not plant. Children, plants cannot move from one place to another place, but some plants show movements. Okay, so this touch me not plant, when we touch the leaves, okay, so the leaves are curl up. Have you understood children? What will happen? When we touch, the leaves are curl up. Okay, so hence it is called touch me not plant. Next, sense organs. Now tell me children, how many sense organs do we have? Very good. We have 5 sense organs. Now show me children. Very good. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin, right? So skin is the largest sense organ in our body. Next, reproduction. Now tell me children, what is reproduction? Very good. The process in which living things produce young ones of their own kind is called reproduction. Very good children. Next, natural things. Okay, living things and non-living things found in the nature are called natural things. For example, sunlight, water, air are the natural things. Okay, next, man-made things. Now tell me children, what are man-made things? Very good. Things made by the man are called man-made things. Okay, TV, phone, chair, car, these all comes under man-made things. Which thing is made by the man are called man-made things. Children, have you noted down these words? Okay, learn the spellings. Okay, children, now we learn few bits. Okay, now tell me children, living things need dash to live. What we need children? Very good. We need food to live, right? Next, a kitten dash into a cat. Guess the answer children? A kitten dash into a cat. Very good children. A kitten grows into a cat. Very good. Next, a bird eats grains, fruits and very good children, insects. Next, a cup is dash thing. Now tell me children, cup is a man-made thing or natural thing? Very good. Cup is a man-made thing. Now tell me children, a coconut tree is a dash thing. Now tell me children, it is which thing? Living thing or non-living thing? Very good. It is living thing. So all plants are living things. I said right? Okay. So a coconut tree is a living thing. Okay. Next, a cup is a man-made thing. Okay. Next, a bird eats grains, fruits and insects. Okay. Next, a kitten grows into a cat. Okay. Next, living things need food to live. Okay. Children, please note down these bits, okay, and learn it. Will you learn, children? Okay. Children, draw any 5 pictures of man-made things and natural things and paste in your scrapbook and learn spellings. Will you learn spellings, children? Okay.